In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on Intuit QuickBooks. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your QuickBooks account and that your vendor bills have already been entered. What we're doing here is simply recording the payment for bills that exist in your books, so this process won't create new bills. It will just pay them from your QuickBooks dashboard. Head to the Pay Bills screen. To get there, click the plus new button near the top left. In the panel that opens, look for the Vendors section and choose Pay Bills. This is the central place where you can review what's due and record payments in one pass. At the top of the Pay Bills window, select the bank account you're paying from. This tells QuickBooks which register the payment will post to, so be sure it matches how you actually plan to pay. Your main checking account, a savings account, or even a credit card account if that's how you settle the bill. Picking the correct account is important for clean reconciliations later. Next, find the bills you want to pay and check the box beside each one. You can scroll or search to locate a specific vendor or invoice. Take a moment to confirm the due dates and amounts so you're paying exactly what you intend. If you're paying multiple bills at once, QuickBooks will total them for you at the bottom so you can quickly confirm the outflow. Now enter the payment details. Set the payment date to the day you're actually making the payment. This date controls when the expense hits your register and affects accounts payable aging. Choose the payment method that matches how you're sending funds, such as check, cash, or ACH. This doesn't move money by itself. It simply records the method for your books and helps with printing checks or documenting electronic payments. If you have a reference number, like a check number or an external confirmation, add it in the reference field. This is optional, but it's great for tracking. When everything looks right, save your work. Click Save and Close to record the payment, or select Save and Print if you're printing a physical check right now. If you're printing, make sure your check stock is loaded and your printer settings are aligned so the details land in the correct spots. Once saved, QuickBooks marks the bill as paid and updates your balances automatically. If a bill you expected to see isn't listed, confirm you're on the correct payment account and that the bill is open and dated within your view. And that's it. Your bills are paid and your books stay accurate and organized.